Welcome back, everybody, to more Super Metroid. We got our daily dance move here. We got the speed booster and some energy tank and more goodies. And now we'll continue making our way through Norfair.
Yes. Actually, now that I have like super aim, I can just kill them. Alright, I can jump back here. Totally forgot about this door. I'm gonna go back up. I don't want to make it through there because it probably leads to like a special upgrade or something.
We were busy owning those seahorse dudes. Oh yeah, it is possible to get through here. Nice.
We did it. So I have 30 now? Oh! Oh! Okay.
Oh god. Okay.
Oh, you can kill them! I had no idea. Yeah, the missile upgrade will be nice.
30 missiles, baby.
Let's check out the map again, because... Right, there was a spot I could go to, but I think I came from the right for this area, so I don't want to go there just yet.
I've already lost track of what episode we're on. I think it's like 5 or 6.
I think it's 6.
I think it's 6.
I don't know though.
So far, so good.
Well, I should have known this leads back to the bubble room because it's right there.
Speaking of bubbles,
Yeah, I just call them bubbles because they look like the Zelda 2 bubbles.
they do.
You know you can actually kill those, but they have like 100 health.
I tried once and like Link was stuck there for like 2 million years.
Oh, there's a jump I could have done. Oh well, too late for that.
See, viewers, Luke and I are some of the few humans on Earth that have played Zelda 2. It was kind of fun.
I enjoy it. I know it's not a lot of people's cup of tea, but
It is cryptic as hell, but I did have some fun.
I do have a bad habit for liking games that most people don't.
I was like, that's why Luke were playing a critically acclaimed fan favorite. I just want to watch speedruns now too.
Yeah, that would be cool. Right, so there was something, I think it was in this room, that I couldn't do because I needed a speed boost.
We saw the arrows.
I think it was in this room.
Let's get in formation. They're down here. The formation beetles.
No,
First xenomorph.
you said I can't kill them yet, right?
Not yet, no.
There was something, I don't know where it was now that I think about it. I think it was going down.
It gets like similar feelings sometimes in Norfair.
Mm-hmm.
Well, the map goes to the right, so it might not be it.
Right, I remember I went through this whole room.
I know what you're talking about. You saw the speed booster symbol, right?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
This will take you back to fighting seahorses and owning them.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You can still look around though. So we didn't have the speed booster last time. There's PP door. And there.
There's nothing there.
It looks like there would be because it's the one different block, right?
Right. There
I
was...
think I had the same instinct.
What room was it? I don't remember.
I think it might have been to the left. Like when you were debating between left and down.
Oh, okay. I must have missed it. Because I know it was like right under a xenomorph.
Mm-hmm. It was. I think it was more left than that.
Oh goodness. I don't even know if you can kill those guys, but I'm just avoiding them. Oh, I've already lost a full energy tank. Crap.
It's easy to just tank through and then you look at your health and you're like, Jesus.
Sorry.
We live in. This room. I think it's another farming room.
I'll take it. That's so nice. It's like 5 enemies die at the same time, and so you're just super stocked up fast.
Their lasers, especially.
My spacers,
Phase
dude.
lasers. I'm pretty sure it's this way. What you were looking for.
How did I run into it? Oh, you mean like past this door?
Yeah. You gotta keep it. Yeah.
Oh, you're right. You're right. You're totally right. For some reason, I thought this went back to like where I already was.
So what you want to do to practice is get a running start, and then you'll go crazy ape mode. It'll even transfer through.
Wow. It's just a save point, dude. Oh, okay. There's stuff to the left. Oh wait, I think this leads back to the main area.
The main corridor.
That's nice. I need that.
Now you're back. You're back here now. You never fully, yeah, because you went to the right and you saw all of that. You went to the left to get the charge beam, or there's the high jump.
I never went down here. I should have known I could, but I guess I just never tried.
Oh well, that's why.
Okay.
Okay. There is actually, yeah. Now that I remember, there is something you can do now.
Kill that.
Again, that level design taking you back here.
I don't think it'd be there, because I think I've already gotten that item.
There was a room that you couldn't figure out last time that you weren't able to do.
I'm right here, yeah, it's gonna be to the left. I'm probably gonna have to super speed. I'm just gonna start running right now. Oh, right! Whoa.
There you go.
Hmm.
Now you've never been this way.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back. There's something up there. I can tell. What? There's no way that this is the only thing here.
Oh, I see what you mean. Yeah.
Oh, there is, but I have to go up. But I don't know how to go up.
I think it might be a way back. In the meantime, I think you can only go left.
Okay.
Worth a shot to look around. Alright. Let's see what's over here. I think I was an idiot here too.
Oops.
Last time I remember.
Let's just go here for now.
Hot sauce. And a jelly jamboree.
It was worth a shot. Oops. Well, I mean...
Can you solve the mystery? Those jellies are kind of unkillable ATM.
Okay. I have to kill them. I don't know how to kill those guys.
I call myself an idiot, but it's a pretty well hidden secret. You can't go back to the right, I believe, so you're stuck here. Have yourself a look-see. Next session, we gotta put 723 because it shows the code on the screen.
Yeah. We have to.
Checking walls, checking walls.
I don't know what this would do for me though. Oh. What? So am I supposed to just go down there as an orb? And just hope I manage to slide through?
Could try from above.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking.
So I keep thinking of the new game where you can like grab a ledge like a normal person. But here you have to like, yeah, you gotta be fancy with it.
Oh no, he's gonna fight me. I know he is. Ooh.
The ice beam
Oh, I think I know what to do now.
used a lot more strategically than just offense, but it does do some good damage.
Oh, okay. So I like how when you upgrades it, still keeps the 3-way shot.
Hell yeah. And it makes a nice crunchy sound when you kill stuff.
Ooh, Xenomorphs? More like
Xeno freeze!
popsicle.
I don't know if you can kill them, but I know you can freeze them. It makes that crunchy noise.
I already know I have to shoot the jellies with this.
Aha! Learning.
Oh, I see.
Nice, you got it right on the ledge.
If
Did you?
I guess
It
not.
seems like you did. Ah. And you can freeze that turtle jack guy.
Mm-hmm. Down we go.
And now you're up here.
Get out. Oh.
And there you go.
I thought it was just like a secret. No. It's intentional. That's fine.
I'll tell you straight up, I don't know if there's much else you can do here.
Yeah, it feels like even with all the stuff I have right now, I don't... But what I'm thinking is...
What are you feeling? You want to ditch this popsicle stand and
I
actually try to go to criteria this time?
kind of want to, but... this is probably a bad idea, but I'm gonna try it anyways.
Take a gander?
So there's the bubble room, right?
Yeah.
Well, in the bubble room, there was a ledge that I could probably make with a high jump. But I didn't notice until after making the leap of faith. So I'm wanting to try that out. I wonder. Yeah, that wouldn't make any sense.
Your height feels. We got some good upgrades in here. The ice beam, the speed booster.
Yeah, kind of interesting that they give you the ice beam in lava land.
I know, right?
Right, this room is stupid room. I'm just trying to run past everything. And doing a
People
worse.
are insane when it comes to missile tanks. There's so many that are hidden in walls, similar to that energy tank you found. Like, I have no idea how people remember everything. Although, if I played this enough, I definitely would.
Yeah. That's just what happens when you play the game over and over again.
Yeah, people will run this game a zillion times.
Oh, maybe?
Right, so you saw something in here?
I'm gonna save first. And then from there, I think maybe I can do.
Oh, I see what you mean.
That wasn't.
Nice.
I'm sure that wasn't the intended way, but still. Oh,
But it's an easy way to a missile tank that you're not supposed to get yet.
I'll take it, dude.
Oh yeah, for a missile tank, hell yeah.
Makes me look smart when I come
There's
up with
many
strats
ways
like that.
What's incredible is that the newer ones too, like Dread, they reward you if you find exploits and skips. Like they actually have like alternate stuff happen. And
Cool.
different paths.
I like that.
If you get stuff before the game, like, quote unquote, intends you to.
That's very cool game design, how they keep an eye out for that.
I think they do in this game too. There is something you could get in here, I believe, but it's very difficult.
Ooh. I don't think there's anything down here. Oh. Was this where I went down last time?
No, you went down the middle last time.
Well, maybe this is... Yeah.
Yeah, this one's different.
Oh, there's another one.
Another one.
I'm gonna wait until he's thawed out.
Sweet. You're gonna need all the missiles you can get, dude.
Yes. So now I'm gonna...
Trust me, like, 40 is not enough. That's why there's 3 digits on the thing.
Oh my gosh, really? Holy crap.
Yeah. There might be times where you, like, dish out even, like, triple-digit missiles. This game gets spicy.
I bet.
Oh yeah, this is just the beginning of your missile hoarding.
I'm gonna do it. I know it's kind of... no, there's no reason to go over there yet. And I've already gotten the item I would have wanted anyways, so... Let's pull a JRPG moment and save again. And then we are going to... Because I've been very lax with my energy consumption. I need to be careful about that.
Oh yeah, down to 1.
Hopefully go back to Craig's home just to get the refill station. It's probably all happening because of this room, if I'm being completely honest.
Like I said, it is fun to see like the direction people take when they explore these areas, like, how they tackle it, what stuff they find first.
It's like a very rare occurrence that 2 people have the same playthrough.
Oh, absolutely. There's so many missile tanks out there. Everybody always finishes with a different total.
That's my favorite thing about like this game, Dark Souls, stuff like that, is like not open world necessarily, but like non-linearity.
Yeah, I get what you mean. Where it's not
like a lot of, I don't know if you'll ever play Dark Souls, but if you do, something that a lot of people praise it on is the how open and connected the world is. Like
that's something I do enjoy.
There's so many different ways to get to one place that it's kind of amazing.
The amount of creativity needed to do that kind of stuff. The multiple solutions.
Yeah, this is gonna be my favorite weapon. I'm gonna be, because I'm sure it's gonna be upgraded. I'm gonna be sad when it goes away because it's nice.
Yeah, I know, it feels good. By the end of the game, you're gonna feel like a ruthless god. I guess you gotta bomb twice. Yeah, I know, so far so good. It's fun seeing you cruise.
Yep. There's something down.
The game's not brutally hard or anything. There's just challenge here.
Yeah.
I guess that is fun.
Yeah, I was like, there's no way that would work. Well, yeah, I had a feeling it wouldn't work, but I had to try it, right?
Yeah, we still don't know.
Wait, this led to nothing, so yeah, I don't want to go there yet. Because I remember it's just a one-way.
Yeah, and bottom left, I believe, was high jump.
Okay, back up we go.
Alright, we're heading back to Brinstar. Long time no see.
I know, dude. It's been like 2 episodes.
Now you got the ice beam, you can freeze stuff. You can jump higher.
Yeah. What's that work?
Oh, I don't remember. Oh, I think that was like a recharge station.
Oh, yeah, I'm gonna head over there then.
I don't know if it was energy or ammo, but it might be energy.
Either way, well, I'm fully stocked on missiles, but it doesn't hurt to check it out.
Let's go take a look. Then we're done with this. This is like my least favorite room. Oh yeah, but you can freeze them now.
Very nice. Right, there's nothing here. I've already got everything I needed for that.
Yeah, Spacer was up there.
Now I can take my time.
Hooray.
Ah!
Stupid chunks.
I know. Big chunk us.
That's the thing with this game. Like you said, each episode would feel like 5 minutes for you.
I can finally jump back up. You're right.
Next episode, we begin the climb. Oh, it is energy.
Yes, very nice.
Beauty. We'll see you guys back here when we maybe go back to Criteria.
Yeah,
finally after
let's
10 years.
let's see.
Let's see.
Goodbye.